tape the paper together because I'm using size 11-inch Potlick for grow up face mask using the t-shirt. Super duper easy, and it has the filter in there too. So this is the other option that you can do beside the other the rainbow one that I made yesterday, the tie-dye one. So after you trace the circle, this is 11-inch pot lid. So after you trace, you cut it out. This template, it take you it take a longer time to make the template, but it's worth it when you wear that face mask that I'm about to show you right now. Okay, so after you cut that out, you're going to fold it in half. And then you fold the other half. All this work, you only need one. So, you only need one. So when you cut it out like this, I want you to take the ruler and take about 2 inches off from here. This one is 2 inches. And then from okay, and then from 2 inch and 2 inch, you're gonna draw the line right here. And you're gonna cut that out. You're gonna cut this part out. Just like this. So when you're done cutting that part out, you're gonna put on another piece of paper. This is the template, everyone. After you make a template, you can make so many face masks you like. So after that, you're gonna trace this. You don't need to trace the middle right here. You're gonna trace the bottom and the side. Just like that. So when you have something like this, you're gonna cut this out. Okay, so after you cut it out, I like you to fold it apart. You make sure the line when you draw right here and the line underneath there, because we fold it in half to meet together. So that's way everything is even. So when you have it, you're gonna press it down. Okay, so now you have something like this. I want you to measure from here to here. That 1.5 inches. From the fold line right here, from the fold line, I want you to go from, okay, so it stopped right here. This is the line that we traced earlier. So from here to there, I want you to go 3 inches. 3 inches on the top here, 1.5 inches. So like this. And then you're going to take this part to meet this part right there. Now you have something like this. You see? You're gonna cut it out. You cut this is the template for you to make the face mask. So hi everyone. The other option you can do beside using the t-shirt and make that, I also have the other option. After you cut in this template out, you're going to get any kind of circle tape or thing like that. You're gonna put right on top of here of the template, and you're going to get the pen. You're going to round this top a little bit. This is the other option you can do, quick and easy. You can see something like this. You're going to get the this, and then you can cut this out. Okay, so you have something like this. It just everything is the same. It's just round on the top. And now you get I have the tie-dye shirt the other day. Remember I told you on the other video. I just do this for the to show you how to make it, but try your best to use a solid color, because I have only this left. So I'm going to fold this. So this is already a double. See that too? And then I'm going to fold it over here. You can fold any way because I don't have enough fabric, so I have to fold in this way. So you fold this way. That's where you can get 4. You can get this template and you put on it. I'm gonna make sure it fits. I'm going to get the pen and I'm going to trace this out. So trace around it. So the shirt you can make so many styles. This one's super quick and easy. Everyone can do this. So now when you trace like that, so you get 4. Okay. So now I'm going to cut that out. So you see the line I traced, I'm going to cut. Before I'm cutting, I'm going to get the pen. I'm going to make sure the fabric stay together because I have 4 in here. So I have to make sure. If you don't have something like this, you can get the needle and try to, the big one, trying to slide it in. To make sure that it holds the fabric in place for you. If you have to go to the dollar, if you can possible to go to the Dollar Tree, you can buy thread and needle down there. So now I'm going to cut this. Remember, fold in half and then fold again. Fold. So with this I have 4 in here. Okay, let me put that out of the way. So now you have something like this. 4. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now you're going to get the thread and needle. You're going to start sewing in. You're gonna sew this all in together, 4 of them. So about 1/4 of an inch, you're gonna start sewing. The end right here, you're gonna do really good. Go close to the edge here. Like that. And then gonna do one more with the loops. And you see I have a little loop right here. I'm gonna get my needle, go through that, and then I'm going to pull. Yeah, so I have something like that. Now I'm going to sew all the way to the other end. About 1/4 of an inch, you're gonna sew all the way. So for this, I'm going to use back stitch. So I'm gonna go like that. I'm gonna go back. See here? I'm going to go forward. You have the sewing machine. You can just run it over with one line, and that's it. Done. Go all the way. Back stitch is that you go on one up to here and you go on to back into the same hole, and then you go on to go forward like that. And then you go on back, forward. Continue to do the whole time. This take a little longer, but it's nicer when you're done. You're gonna do that the whole line here to here. When you get into the end, you're going to go right so close to the edge, right here, and then you start going down. And then up and down, many times. Just want to make sure it stays really good. And just look right here. And hit the loops here. One more, and that's it. That's all you sew. You're gonna sew just this line right here. And remember, we have 4 of them. I use 4, just want to make sure it's nice. And now, when I have something like this, it's already sewed. Only this part in 4 of them. I'm going to just take this needle on the top here off, and I'm going to leave it down here just for now. And then from here, I'm going to get the pen. I'm going to draw the line. I'm going to draw something like I show you. So draw about half an inch away from the edge. And draw something like I show you after I so you draw on something like this. All 4, but you draw on this side. Now you're going to fold it in half. Want to make sure you fold it really good. You hold all 4 together very well. It's right in the middle, like this. And now you're going to cut this out. I'm going to get this needle, and I'm going to move it to here. And now I'm going ahead and cut this part out. Okay. You can just hold the scissor at the same place, and then all you need to do is just move the fabric around. Have your hand hold it in here and under too, and then cut those out. Now this time you're gonna take the pin out, and you're going to open it. And then inside in like this. Now you have something like this. So awesome. A 3D face mask. And this one right here, that's for the ear loop. So this one is super easy. You don't need to sew on the bottom here. And this is awesome. You can leave the tissue. You can leave the tissue in between here. Put the tissue there. Put the tissue on this side. And there you have something like this. Super easy to do. I suggest you use a solid color because remember I told you that I use the tie-dye because I don't use them anymore. So I just use the tie-dye just to show you how to make things. This is it. That's the 3D face mask that you make under 5 minutes. If you have a sewing machine, it takes you 2 minutes to finish everything. See how nice it is? Look. Take that out of the way. You see how nice? I'm gonna put it on and I'm gonna show you exactly what it looks. So this is it, everyone, after I finish. And this is how it looks. It's snug right into your face, just like this. So nice on the side. Go right to the face, and this is go to the ear. Same side to here. Fit perfectly. So this is the good side face mask that you can try in 5 minutes. If you have a sewing machine, you sew on this line. It takes you 2 minutes to finish one face mask. And it's super comfortable. I love how soft it is, and it fits right into your face like that. It's snug right into here. I can breathe through here. It's like a 3D. Face it this way. You can see. You can see. Thank you for watching, everybody. Oh, when you finish, you can have the iron. You can go iron this line down. You fold it in half and then you iron this line. Perfect. I love it. Thank you so much for watching. I wish everybody the best, and stay safe and take care, everyone.